Wildlife photographer Dwight Cologne of Orlando, Florida, has captured what we think is a very rare flat-billed pink bird. You're not going to be able to see details on my camera phone. Once Dwight gets the picture zoomed in, look at it. Hold on, let me see Dwight zooming in. And just keep going. Flip through some more, see if there's some more.
Yep.
Get that real close up on that you had earlier.
This is a rare animal.
Yep, Mark Grof, handsome kid. Here, bring it over here. Put the camera down. I don't want to stick my hand all in your face, but I have to. Craziness, guys.
And then, hold on. What you do with us?
Take over, Dwight. You know how to do it. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Oh, see, you got it good. See, I didn't know how to do that, man. My shit was blurry. Good job, Dwight. Never see that again, guys.